10 साल हो गए हैं। It's been 10 years. It's been 10 years. वह ऐसे ही बोलता है। That's how he speaks. That's how he speaks. उसे छोड़ो, तुम बताओ। Let that be, you tell me. Let that be, you tell me. पटना कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming to पटना? अब क्या बोलूं? Now what to say? Now what to say? अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता। I can't say anything now. I can't say anything now. देखो कब छुट्टी मिलती है। Let's see when I get leave. पर आना जरूर, ठीक है। But do come, okay? But do come, okay? क्या क्या बोल रहे हो? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। What all are you speaking? I am not getting it. आपको लिखने में गलती हुई है। You made a mistake in writing. You made a mistake in writing. वह इस समय पढ़ाई करता होगा। He would be studying this time. He would be studying this time. दरअसल यह गलती से हो गया। Actually it was done by mistake. Actually it was done by mistake. यह सब तुम्हारे वजह से हुआ। It's all because of you. It's all because of you. तुम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोलते हो। You speak more than necessary. You speak more than necessary. उनका मन कभी भी पलट सकता है। He has a flexible mind. He has a flexible mind. मैं सीधे सीधे बात करने वाला लड़का हूँ। I am a straightforward guy. I am a straightforward guy. मुझे उसके लिए बुरा लग रहा है। I am feeling bad for him. I am feeling bad for him. उसके पापा पुराने ख्यालात के आदमी हैं। His father is an orthodox person. वह तुम्हारी परिस्थितियों को नहीं समझ सकते। He can't understand your situation. चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है। There is nothing to worry about. There is nothing to worry about. मैं उनसे बात कर लूँगा कल। I will talk to him tomorrow. I will talk to him tomorrow. मैं उन्हें समझाने की कोशिश करूँगा। I will try to make him understand. I will try to make him understand. अभी जाओ और मुझे आराम करने दो। Now go and let me get some rest. तुझे मैं ही मिला था उल्लू बनाने के लिए। You didn't find anyone else to make fool. मैं तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ। I know you very well. I know you very well. यह कभी नहीं हो सकता। It can never happen. It can never happen. इसे मजाक में मत लो। You can say don't take it jokingly. Don't take it jokingly. पर मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ। But I am speaking the truth. But I am speaking the truth. अच्छा सबूत क्या है? You can say well what is the evidence? Well what is the evidence? यह गलत भी तो हो सकता है। You can say it could be fake as well. It could be fake as well. नहीं मानना है तो मत मानो। If you don't wanna believe, then don't. If you don't wanna believe, then don't. पर इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But it doesn't make any difference. But it doesn't make any difference. तुम समझते क्या हो मुझे? What do you think I am? What do you think I am? मैं तुम्हें बेवकूफ़ दिखता हूँ क्या? Do you find me for a fool? Do you find me for a fool? वह बात बिल्कुल अलग है. That's a different matter altogether. That's a different matter altogether. सिर्फ बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen by speaking only. मुझे सबूत चाहिए. I want evidence. I want evidence. मैं सुनी सुनाई बातों पर यकीन नहीं करता. I don't believe in hearsay. I don't believe in hearsay. तुम अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. वह अपने आगे किसी की नहीं सुनता. He always overpowers others. उसे ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. He shouldn't have spoken so. He shouldn't have spoken so. अब जो हो गया सो हो गया. Now what is done can't be undone. Now what is done can't be undone. वह समझता क्यों नहीं है? Why doesn't he understand? Why doesn't he understand? मुझे बताओ मैं उसे कैसे समझाऊं. Tell me how I make him understand. Tell me how I make him understand. अब मैं और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. Now I can't take it any longer. Now I can't take it any longer. मैं रोज के खिच-खिच से तंग आ गया हूँ. I am fed up with every day's wrangling. कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यहाँ. You can say what type of people live here. What type of people live here. उसने अपने बेटे का नाम अंशु रखा है. He has named his son Anshu.